Hello there, feeling cluttered while editing in WordPress? Want a cleaner, distraction-free editing experience in WordPress? Let us show you how to use Spotlight mode in the Gutenberg block editor and stay fully focused. First, open a page you want to customize in the Gutenberg website editor. Click on the options from the right top. There, you'll see the Spotlight mode option, which helps you to focus on one block that you want to customize. Click on it to enable. Once enabled, all of the blocks will be under shadow. Clicking on any block will only activate customization for that block. Others will stay frozen. Tap the block and Spotlight mode will be on. Make necessary customizations. Similarly, click on another block you want to edit in Spotlight mode. Complete modifying the entire page with full focus. When you are in mode with modifications, click Publish and that's it. This is how easily you can work on full focus in the Gutenberg block editor. Give it a thumbs up if this was helpful to you and subscribe to us for more helpful WordPress tips and tricks. See you in the next one.